Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Tab E3 Pro, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, this operation is pretty similar in all of the browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to do it on your own browser. Now all we have to do is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Right now I've got this update icon, but basically this is in this position, and then tap on delete browsing data. Here we've got some basic options like visited websites, opened tabs, cookies, cache, and other site data. Here you can change the time range, just choose the option which you like the most and then tap on delete data. However, if you wish to remove some advanced browsing history, then tap on more options, and here we've got them. So those are advanced, like saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you wish to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. I will remove everything. Here we have to separately change the time range. If you wish, I'll pick all time and then tap on delete data. Tap on delete to confirm if needed. And now we just got back to the home page, but if you will enter the browser and try to check the history, which is right here, you'll see that everything has been removed, and it means that we just successfully cleared the browser. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.